Microsoft Word 2019 brings some exciting updates and features that make document creation easier and more efficient. In this first look, we'll explore what's new and what you can expect from this version of Word. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, Word 2019 offers tools to help you work smarter and faster. When you first open Word 2019, you'll notice the familiar interface with the ribbon at the top, but with a cleaner and more modern look. The Start screen now gives you quick access to recent documents, templates, and even recommended searches, so you can get started without wasting time. Word 2019 also introduces improved inking features, allowing you to draw, highlight, or write directly on your document with a stylus or touchscreen, making it perfect for tablets or two-in-one devices. Another notable feature is the focus mode, which removes distractions by hiding toolbars and other interface elements so you can concentrate solely on your document. Word 2019 also includes updated text effects and typography, making it easier to create professional-looking documents with enhanced visuals. Collaboration has been improved too, with better commenting, reviewing, and tracking changes, so working with teams has never been smoother. Additionally, Word 2019 offers powerful translation and accessibility tools. You can translate text in real time and use tools like the Learning Tools feature to improve readability and comprehension. These enhancements make Word 2019 a versatile tool for both personal and professional use. Overall, Microsoft Word 2019 feels familiar yet modern, packed with useful features that improve productivity and make document creation more intuitive. If you're excited about Word 2019, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech-first looks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.